Effective Business English with a Tutor Expert.
Hello, I'm Chris Cha. As headline topic specialties, earning gain trust experiences, target authorizing uniqueness or different terminology. My topic specialties within business English as cake earning gaining of trust experiences. I'm 5 years undergrad joining courses skill set at EFL and translation, mixed interpretation self-paced, virtual schooling system with past or present EAF or exam. As English business intermediate level 1 scoring at EF website platform access and got 100 basis 10 students of groups since present year. Within VIP, student tigers food check platform. Access then get the online digital marketing with appointments at the business advisor domain platform access. As target authorizing uniqueness or different terminology within my site as certified business English tutor with 5-year experience, making learning enjoyable gain.
Headline: Topic specialties, earning in trusted experiences, target authorizing different terminology. Headline: Business English Tutor is a specialty, certified and 5 years experience within ESL and Business English Intermediate major level. Making learning enjoyable gain is what makes them different right choice. Certified tutor majored in teaching English as a foreign language with intellectual and grammar advanced skill set at Spanish, Italian, basic languages. Profile description. My profile up to is support and acknowledges those passionate students within. First, beginners, you must appointment, reservation date, and time zone. Then take note, each virtual business English learning system got the group discussions, role-playing scenarios, media literacy exercises, interactive tools for the effective learning gains. Then as the ending engagement, attendance mostly virtual recorded.